Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a slime with oil, Vaseline oil, and Jenkins, and the purifier. This is hand soap, this is powder, and this is the oil. Okay, so let's start. First I'm gonna pour the hand soap. How much you wanna make, you can put. Okay, so now I'm gonna put powder. Now you can see I had put in the powder. Now it's time for the oil, and I love putting red. So let's put really little, not much. There must be less ones. Whoa. It's fun making it, so I'm gonna mix it. So just mix it for 5 to 6 minutes. So guys, the powder is less, so I'm gonna put a little more. Hello guys, back. So I put it more. So mix for 5 to 6 minutes. Not minutes, maybe you can mix a little seconds also. I'm gonna put more. Only 2 drops, maybe 3 is okay. 2.5. And I'm gonna mix it for 5 minutes at least, it must be. So guys, you can see that I have done it. So now I'm gonna keep it for 1 day. I'm not gonna keep it in the freezer, just in a room, in a dry and clean place with the AC or anything, but in a room. Okay, so let's keep it from 1 day. So after 1 day, let's check. Whoa, it's a little light of lime. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, so let's see. So guys, it's done. Oh wow, it's so nice. I'm so happy to make it. Guys, it's not sticky at all. It's so nice. So guys, try it and subscribe my channel. Like it. Bye.